Hey guys, Blabberboss here, and today we're going to do another explosion video! Woohoo! So today we got a comment, today we got a comment on what to explode, and this came up. And I thought, that's a perfect idea, so I did that exact same thing. So, I went to my world, blah, and then I made this thing. So, if you don't like reading, I'll basically tell you what this guy, this subscriber told me. Why don't you cover yourself with TNT, which I'm doing right now, and see what happens when you explode. I thought that's like the best idea ever, because I don't know if my thing's gonna, I don't know what will happen. So let's see what happens. So right now I'm going in here, just like that. Was that fascinating? What's that? Oh, well, anyways, here we go. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna cover myself up with more TNT. Just cover me up here. Just cover me up here. And then, boom. Sorry, it's so black. But, okay. Put a torch in here just so so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so here you go. I'm scared what's gonna happen. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Well, that's it. I don't really know what happened. You saw what happened. It was very awkward. So, yeah. Sorry guys, I went to bed so I don't have to talk to you in the dark, because you can't really see anything in the dark. So, oh, there's one of those things again. Those orange thingies. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I don't really know what happened. I went from here to over there. I don't know. But yeah, thanks guys for watching. Hope you liked it. Please leave a like. And if you want to become a Blabberboss, subscribe down below. And comment down below what you want me to do next. So, thank you for everything. Peace.